Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a delightful surprise that has captured the hearts of toy enthusiasts everywhere: the best Lost Kitties Blind Box. Whether you're a collector or just looking for a fun gift, these whimsical boxes promise endless surprises and a touch of nostalgia. Now, for those who might not be familiar, Lost Kitties is a fantastic line of collectible figures created by Hasbro. Featuring adorable kitties with distinct personalities, all hiding in cleverly designed cartons. Each box is an adventure waiting to happen, and today we're going to explore what makes these blind boxes so special. Inside each Lost Kitties blind box, you'll find a unique figure, 2 accessories, and a meme sticker, all concealed within soft, shaping compound. This is not just a blind box, it's a mini unboxing experience. The shaping compound adds an interactive element, allowing you to mold and create fun accessories for your kitties. Imagine crafting a cozy little bed or toys for your new furry friends. But wait, what's truly exciting is the thrill of discovery. Each box features a different Lost Kitties character, and with over 36 different figures to collect from Series 1, you never know who you're going to get. Will you find the #OddOrbs kitty, the mischievous #ScaredyCats, or perhaps the foodie #Noms? Each character brings its own charm, and you'll love unearthing the unique traits that make each kitty special. Now, let's talk about the design. The packaging is vibrant and playful, capturing the essence of fun and curiosity. The cartons are small, making them easy to store or display once you've revealed your new friend. Plus, the artwork on the boxes is just as engaging as the contents. It sets the stage for the surprises inside, heightening your anticipation. If you're worried about gifting this to younger fans, fear not. The Lost Kitties blind box is suitable for kids aged 5 and up, making it a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just as a fun surprise. Parents can feel good about this product, as it encourages creativity, imagination, and of course, the joy of collecting. And let's not forget the social aspect of collecting. With each new figure, you're encouraged to connect with friends and fellow collectors to trade and share your finds. The included collector's guide not only helps you keep track of which characters you have but also adds to the excitement of trying to complete your collection. It's all about the community and the stories that come with each figure. Now, pricing is always a consideration. Currently, the Lost Kitties blind box retails for around $17.43, with some shipping fees depending on your location. While that may seem steep for a single blind box, the quality of the figures and the added accessories justify the price. Plus, it's an investment in fun, creativity, and possibly a lifelong hobby. In conclusion, if you're searching for a fun and engaging toy that not only entertains but also sparks creativity, the best Lost Kitties blind box is a fantastic choice. With its charming figures, interactive shaping compound, and the thrill of surprise, it's no wonder these have become a favorite among collectors and kids alike. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, please like and subscribe for more fun product explorations. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we release our next video. Until next time, happy collecting!